Jackie there, bringing us those live images as we see the biggest show of strength of Prime Minister Modi and his NDA allies for the first time right before the poll results. The 4 phases of polling has completed, and we're looking at the NDA leaders coming together in a show of strength in a first. As Paulomi listed out, you have a host of leaders, of course, apart from Amit Shah and JP Nadda leading the clan. We saw Eknath Shinde, Chirag Paswan, Conrad Sangma, GK Vasu, Chandrababu Naidu, Pawan Kalyan, Upendra Kushwaha, Jitin Ram Manji, Sanjay Nishat, Praful Patel, all of them coming together for the day of filing nomination. We are cutting across to Paulomi, bringing us reaction.
सौभाग्य है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी नामांकन करने आए।
अच्छा, जीते जी कैसे देखते हैं इस मौके को? आप यहाँ पर मौजूद थे आज जब प्रधानमंत्री।
ये बहुत सौभाग्य की बात हम लोगों की है कि आज प्रधानमंत्री जी का नामांकन के अवसर पर हम लोग आए हैं और हम लोग एक तरह से भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उनकी ये बात की अब की बात 400 पार पूरी हो और निश्चित पूरी होगी। इसीलिए हम लोग सब आए हैं, सब आशीर्वाद देने के लिए और भगवान से प्रार्थना करने के लिए।
जी शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। जितिन राम मांझी, let's try and speak to some of the other leaders who are gathered over here as well. We can see some of these top leaders gathered over here. Let's try and speak to some of them as well. Mr. GK Vasan is also with us. Mr. Ramadas, sir. Just a word from you, sir, about you joining this occasion of the Prime Minister's nomination filing. How big a moment is this? 400 par is the call for NDA. Will the NDA achieve that, sir?
Absolutely. We are very, very confident, and I'm so happy that I've attended the nomination process of our Honorable Prime Minister in Varanasi today. And our Prime Minister is going to win in Varanasi by more than 5 lakh votes minimum.
Okay.
And our alliance is going to get definitely more than 400 seats. This is the mood of the nation today. The people, they want India to become a superpower, and only our Prime Minister could lead us to become a superpower and to be the 3rd biggest economy in the world.
Sir, in the southern part of India, do you see the BJP, the NDA performing well, sir?
You're going to see a lot of surprises in south, especially in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, so the BJP will be opening its account, or are you talking about the NDA?
I'm telling the NDA as well as the BJP.
Okay, thank you so much for speaking with us. So that was Mr. Ambamani Ramadas as well. Let's try and get a word in from Maharashtra Chief Minister as well.
प्रधानमंत्री जी हमारे साथ हैं। सीएम साहब माहौल तो आप देख रहे हैं, ये लोगों में क्या उत्साह है, क्या जोश है, जल्लोष है, और मोदी जी के प्रति जितना सम्मान दिख रहा है, आदर दिख रहा है, इससे साफ है कि 2014, 2019 का सब रिकॉर्ड टूटेगा। मोदी जी फिर से प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे। 400 पार का नारा है वो भी पूरा हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, महाराष्ट्र
में मिशन 45 हमारा है और मिशन 45 हम सक्सेस करेंगे।
सर, राहुल गांधी तमाम आरोप लगा रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री के ऊपर, तमाम तरीके की असभ्य भाषा का भी इस्तेमाल हो रहा है।
कोई किसी को शंका नहीं।
तो प्रफुल्ल पटेल हैं और
We just want to understand, sir, how confident is the BJP in Maharashtra, because it will be a big contest. There are many parties in the fray.
In Maharashtra will be no different from any other state. People are voting for...
All right, in fact, Paulomi Saha has been bringing us voices from the ground. We heard Ambamani Ramadas of the PMK particularly saying that the BJP is all set to spring a surprise in the southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu. So very keenly watched election that was. Let me cut across to Praful Patel, who's speaking to India today.
आप साथ में
बोलो ना।
प्रधानमंत्री के अधिवेशन में आज आप शामिल हुए, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
प्रधानमंत्री जी का आज यहाँ पर अभूतपूर्व उत्साह के साथ पूरे एनडीए के सभी पार्टनर्स ने मिलकर उनका यहाँ नामांकन पर्चा आज भरा है। ये एक शानदार विजय की ओर ये कदम एक और है, और प्रधानमंत्री जी तो खैर बड़े बाखूबी के साथ जीतने ही वाले हैं, लेकिन पूरे देश में भी तमिलनाडु, कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी, तो आपको एक ही माहौल दिख रहा है, पूरा देश मोदी में है।
काशी के विकास के लिए क्या कहेंगे? काशी के विकास के लिए क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए राहुल गांधी जी या विपक्ष के नेता जो बोलना चाहे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। ये सारा जो माहौल है, देश की जनता जिस तेजी के साथ, जिस खुशी के साथ सामने आकर वोट दे रही है, ये पूरा मोदी जी की विजय, एनडीए की विजय का ये प्रतीक है।
All right. You had Praful Patel, who says there's no doubt that there will be a boost in the NDA numbers. 400 par is inevitable. These are words echoed by several of those NDA allies. Remember, this is a show of strength, undoubtedly, and it was awaited. In fact, we were wondering, all right, through the day, we did not spot any of those leaders on cameras. But soon after the nomination was over, there you had it. You had all the NDA leaders who have arrived just to be part of Prime Minister Modi's nomination, walk out with him in a way to show their support as a procession of sorts, that they walked from the meeting center to Prime Minister Modi's convoy. You had a clear image of Eknath Shinde from Maharashtra, of Chirag Paswan, of Meghalaya's Conrad Sangma, of TDP, Chandrababu Naidu, Janasena's Pawan Kalyan, Hindustan Awam Morcha's Jitan Ram Manji, PMK's Anbumani Ramdas from Tamil Nadu, Sanjay Nishat, we heard Praful Patel, of course Amit Shah and JP Nadda leading the pack. Now, NDA as an alliance is certainly strong, at least seemingly from what we see today. Pawan Kalyan is speaking to India Today. Let's listen in.
How do you see this moment? Do you see the NDA crossing 400, sir?
I believe it will be minimum 400. It will be above that. That's what. Because we had seen the results in yesterday. Our elections are finished in Andhra Pradesh, right, and the NDA came together. TDP and all of us came. BJP and Janasena. We all came together and we are sweeping the election. A record-breaking percentage of vote is there, around 80 above. And we are seeing a clean sweep and we are forming the government.
You're forming the government in Andhra Pradesh. What about the other southern states, sir? Will the BJP...
States, I can speak from my strength is in Telangana. In Telangana, it is getting substantial seats and we could see that. And in Andhra, it's a clean sweep.
Okay, what do you see about the Congress's campaign, sir, which believes that you cross 400, you'll change the constitution?
No, there is no such thing. Who will change the constitution? There is no such thing in that one. That is more of a political narrative than a reality. I think that's to psych up the public, I think, which is not true.
Okay, thank you so much for speaking with us. That was Pawan Kalyan speaking exclusively to India Today after the Andhra Pradesh elections, expressing and exuding confidence that the NDA will be forming government in Andhra Pradesh.